San Antonio Water System Standard Specifications for Construction. Item number 110. Recycled Water System. 110.1 Description: any work done on the existing or proposed recycled water distribution system shall be accomplished with the SAWS standard specifications for water, except as otherwise noted. All proposed contract documents must be reviewed and approved by SAWS backflow prevention personnel prior to the start of any work. 110.2 Reference Standards. Reference standards cited in this specification item number 110 refer to the current reference standard published at the time of the latest revision date. Logged 1 San Antonio Water System, SAWS. A. Specifications for water and sanitary sewer construction. B. SAWS Materials Specifications. 2 City of San Antonio, COSA, Standard Specification for Construction. 3 Texas Commission of Environmental Quality, TCEQ. A. Chapter 210 Use of Reclaim Water and TCEQ 290 Rules and Regulations for Public Regulations for Public Water Systems and B. 217 Design Criteria for Domestic Wastewater Systems. C. 213 Edwards Aquifer. 4 American National Standards Institute, ANSI, /American Water Works Association, AWWA. ANSI/AWWA C105/A21.5 Polyethylene Encasement for Ductile Iron Pipe Systems. B. ANSI A21.11/AWWA C111, Standard for Rubber Gasket Joints for Ductile Iron Pressure Pipe and Fittings. C. ANSI/AWWA C150/A21.50 Thickness Design of Ductile Iron Pipe. D. ANSI/AWWA C151/A21.51 Ductile Iron Pipe, Centrifugally Cast. E. ANSI/AWWA C500 Metal Seated Gate Valves for Water Supply Service. F. ANSI/AWWA C515 Reduced Wall, Resilient Seated Gate Valves for Water Supply Service. G. ANSI/NSF Standard 61, Drinking Water System, Health Components. H. AWWA C206, Standard for Field Welding of Steel Water Pipe. I. AWWA C207, Standard for Steel Pipe Flanges for Waterworks Service Sizes 4 inches through 144 inches. J. ANSI/AWWA C509 Resilient Seated Gate Valves for Water Supply Service. K. AWWA C605, Underground Installation of Polyvinyl Chloride, PVC, Pressure Pipe and Fittings for Water. L. AWWA C651 Disinfecting Water Mains. M. AWWA C900, Polyvinyl Chloride, PVC, Pressure Pipe and Fabricated Fittings, 4 inches through 60 inches, 100 mm through 1500 m for water distribution. N. AWWA C907, Polyvinyl Chloride, PVC, Pressure Fittings for Water 4 in through 8 in, 100 mm through 200 mm. O. AWWA Manual M27, External Corrosion, Introduction to Chemistry and Control. P. AWWA M28 Rehabilitation of Water Mains. Q. AWWA Manual M41 Ductile Iron Pipe and Fittings. 5 American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM, International. ASTM A36, Standard Specification for Carbon Structural Steel. B. ASTM A536, Standard Specification for Ductile Iron Castings. C. ASTM A126, Standard Specification for Gray Iron Castings for Valves, Flanges, and D. Pipe Fittings. E. ASTM B21, Standard Specification for Naval Brass Rod, Bar, and Shapes. F. ASTM B98, Standard Specification for Copper Silicon Alloy Rod, Bar, and Shapes. G. ASTM B301, Standard specification for free-cutting copper rod and bar. HASTMB 584, Standard specification for copper alloy sand casting for general application. I.ASTME 165, Standard test method for liquid penetrant examination. J.ASTME 709, Standard guide for magnetic particle examination. K.ASTMF 1674, Standard test method for joint restraint products for use with PVC pipe. 6. International Organization of Standardization, ISO. A ISO 9001. 110.3 Submittals, all submittals shall be in accordance with most recent version of SAWS General Conditions Requirements. Contractor shall submit manufacturer's product data, instructions, recommendations, shop drawing, and certifications. All submittals shall be in accordance with engineer's requirements and submittals shall be approved prior to delivery. 1. Certifications. A. Per General Conditions Section 5.12.2 all contractor submittals for all pipe and other products or materials furnished under this specification shall be marked as reviewed and approved by contractor for compliance with contract documents and the reference standards. B. The manufacturer shall provide ISO 9001 certificate by a third party. C. Submit written verification that the pipe manufacturer has been manufacturing pipe per required ASTM with similar design pressure and size as this project. D. Submit written verification from the pipe manufacturer demonstrating compliance with the production and delivery schedule of the pipe as indicated in the contractor's preliminary critical path method schedule. E. Submit written verification from mechanical fitting manufacturer that fittings are compatible with proposed pipe and meets the requirements of this section. 2. Contractor shall submit manufacturer's product data, installation recommendations, shop drawings, and certifications. 3. Shop drawings. A. Catalog data sheets for all materials confirming pipe, fittings, and other materials conform to requirements of this specification. B. Pipe supplier information. Submit company name, and contact number. C. Details of all piping systems components confirming that the pipe and fittings conform to the specified requirements. D. The contractor shall submit shop drawings of pipe, fittings, gaskets, hardware, flanges, appurtenances, special details sufficient to demonstrate compliance with these specifications and applicable pipe installation specification. E. Fabrication drawings showing 1. Wall thickness. 2. Pipe length. 3. Pipe joint, i.e. mechanical, flanged fused. 4. Testing plan, see SAWS specification item number 812 water main installation. 110.4 Materials, all material used in the improvement, adjustment, removal, and/or construction of the recycled water system shall meet SAWS standard specifications for water requirements and standards, i.e., uses of CSC pipe, trenching and excavation, etc. Except as otherwise noted, and must be wrapped or painted with Pantone 512 color. 1. For PVC pipe, tracer wire shall be utilized for location and taped directly to the pipe. Number 14 UF rated tracer wire shall be used for direct burial conditions. A tracer wire shall be properly spliced at each end connection and each service connection. B. Tracer wire shall be adequately wrapped utilizing 3M waterproof tape or heat shrink wrap and protected at each splice location in accordance with manufacturer recommendations. C. No bare tracer wire shall be accepted. D. Wire shall also come up to the top of valve extensions and fire hydrant stems, as directed by the inspector. E. Tracer wire shall be utilized for location purposes and taped directly to the top of pipe. F. Tracer wire shall be of solid core, 14 gauge insulated, and shall be taped to the main in minimum of 10-inch increments. G. Detection tape shall not be used in lieu of tracer wire. 110.5 Construction, the construction and installation of any recycle water system. Components shall be done in accordance with the SAWS standard specifications for water, except as otherwise noted. Recycled water mains shall also be installed at the TCEQ. Required separation distance between sewer and or water mains as required by Texas Administrative Code, TAC, rules to include, the latest provision of 30 TAC chapters 290 and 217, or most applicable approved equal provision. 110.6 Testing, see SAWS specification item number 841 Water hydrostatic testing. 110.7 Measurements, all work shall be measured in accordance with applicable specifications. 110.8 Payment, all work shall be paid in accordance with applicable SAWS construction specifications. 1 Materials paid on site will be in accordance with Table 1 of specification item number 100 Mobilization. End of 100 Series.